na nating patagalin pa, rektahin na natin. Ano yung dahilan kung bakit kayo umexit sa MPL? Bakit nga ba? Ano nga ba talaga ang pinakapunot dulo? Bakit tayo umexit?
We were very successful naman eh. I feel like. Nung pumasok yung franchise slot, by that time, maganda na yung run namin eh. Hindi pwedeng parang hindi pwedeng humindi or hindi pugilan.
Kasi champion eh.
Oo, the champion eh. I mean, if you remember, Execration was actually the team that we were competing with during the time. And then hindi sila pumasok because of the price tag that was there. Pero ako, for me, given naman na, fortunately, I was in the good position financially and I was in a good position like as a company, parang sige, sugal tayo. Like, let's check out what can happen with this franchise slot. So from there, tutulak ako dun sa pupuntahan natin ngayon na kung saan tayo napunta. In which, we're looking at Mobile Legends as an asset class with a yearly OPEX plus a franchise slot cost na kailangang i-recuperate. Diba? And technically, with a few years of operations, hindi pa talaga namin na-recover fully yung franchise slot unless we sell the slot today. So, ang punto is, pwede naming hintayin yung mga susunod na taon para ma-recover pa yung income or yung investment na binilagay namin dun sa franchise slot na yun. Pero ang mindset ko kasi, and even our stakeholders, why do we have to wait? We're not even sure of the future. Di ba? At least today, it's realized gains. Yun yung sinasabi kong capital gains when I was talking about it in the interview, but that some people might not have gotten. Pero the point is, capital gains means, binili mo yung slot ng ganito, nabenta mo ng mas mataas. Yun siya eh. So, sa perspective namin from a business standpoint, bumili kami ng slot, nagamit namin siya for X years, we were profitable from an OPEX level, P&L standpoint yearly, pero it wasn't enough to get the revenue back from the slot that we invested. And then with that being said, yun yung talagang best move for us. Simplihan natin. Analogy lang, since this is a podcast, I think I have a longer format. No? Simplihan lang natin. Bumili ako ng lupa. Okay, sa QC, for example. Inayuan ko ng restaurant. Yung ininvest ko sa restaurant, example, 5 million pesos.
Okay.
In 2-3 years, kaya kong bawiin yung nilabas ko sa restaurant. Pero yung lupa, 100 million. Paano kikitain ng restaurant yung lupa? Ngayon, nung biglang may lumapit sa akin, bilhin ko yung lupa mo for 150 or 200. And then it becomes a different conversation because it's not about the restaurant anymore. It becomes about the land.
The land.
Diba?
Exactly.
Para simple lang natin para sa mga taong mas hindi nakakagets.